All right, so we're outside here with our auto leveling laser. I'm going to show you how it works. So first things first, we're going to switch this piece on right here, and this is actually going to turn everything on. So you can see here it's midday and you're still able to see the laser. I love the fact that this laser is extremely bright and you're able to see it up to 400 feet. Now I've got the remote that comes with it, and we're able to turn the horizontal and the vertical off and on. So you can see if I switch that, the horizontal is now off. So we don't see any laser or anything on the wall. I'm going to click it again, and now you can see it. I can also click the V for vertical, and now we can see that there is a vertical line here up against the wall. We can also change the actual brightness of it. So it's got 3 different brightness levels. You can see this is going to be the brightest right here. I'll click it again. Now it's going to go down, and once again it's got lighter. So if you're in the house and it's dark in there, you could actually just put this on the lowest light setting and you don't need it to be that bright. But since we are outside, we are going to want to make sure that it's on the brightest setting. And when you do turn this on, obviously right now I've just got it on this little monopod here. You would definitely want to have something a bit more sturdy than this, like a larger tripod. But once you do turn it on, you'll see that this is going to start auto leveling. So even if you just look on the wall right there, you can kind of see that it's wiggling, moving around, and it's going to automatically stabilize and it will become a perfect line. Now the light is pretty bright and it's going to work great in short range situations, but let's say you're outside and you want to go like 200, 300, 400 feet away. What you're going to need to do is use this receiver right here. So you could hear that it started to beep, and that's because once you put this up to the line, it's going to start to detect where the actual laser level line is. So let me show you. For example, we've got it right here. Now I'm going to start moving it and try to find the laser. So let's move it up, and you can see I'm close, but I need to go up more. Okay, I'm up above it. Now I'm like right in the middle. So this is where your laser line is going to be. So you basically are just going to be moving this up and down until you find that laser line. So this is going to work great, like I said, for situations when you are outside and you're in the middle of daylight. It's extremely bright. You're not able to see the laser. You can go all the way out to about 400 feet and it's going to be able to receive it. Now, one thing to mention with this is you want to make sure that you're not utilizing the vertical and the horizontal at the same time, because that cross section could impede with this. So what you want to do is, you could do one at a time. So right now we've got it on the vertical. If I switch it over to the horizontal, we've got it on the horizontal. Let me go ahead and switch it over here to the vertical. We can see the vertical on the wall now. Now let's try to find that middle point. And you can see it here easily on the wall, but let's go ahead and move it. You'll see it's saying keep moving to the left. Keep moving to the left. Close. Alright, so now you can actually see the green laser on the tool itself, but you can see this little notch right here on the side. This is where it's going to be right in the center. So we'll go ahead and keep moving it, and you'll see it's boom right there in the middle. And as I move this back and forth, it's going to tell you where that middle is. So you do have a couple of different settings when it comes to that. So you could do a fine, which is basically going to be this line right here, and that's going to be a more accurate pull. Now if you wanted to make it more coarse, a little bit more open, if you're just trying to find a general spot, then you can change it right there to the 2 lines and it's going to be more coarse. You can also do it where the audio is louder, or you can do it with no audio. So as of right now, I have no audio on, and the arrows are going to still pop up on the screen, but no audio is going to come from it. It also is going to come with this remote as well, so we're able to control the horizontal, the vertical, and the brightness, and we can do this from afar. So you can see right now I've got it on the vertical. I'm going to click vertical again, and now it has turned it off. Let's go ahead and turn the horizontal on. And now you can see that the horizontal line has gone on. So really easy to use auto leveling laser that's going to work for you in bright daylight situations, because it comes with the receiver and the remote. And it's also great for indoors as well, because of the fact that the brightness of the light is really bright. So if you're looking for an auto leveling laser, something that can kind of do it all, comes with all the bells and whistles, then I would highly recommend picking this up.